Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm here back with London vlog and DIOR Christmas unboxing part 2 video. Hope you enjoy our vlog throughout the end. At first we were unsure how to go and we finally found out our way. It's a little surprise for you. We were so excited to have this igloo experience in COPPA Club and we finally got chance to go there. However, we have to book in advance a month ago to go there as it's always packed for the booking. Though the weather was very bad, cloudy, rainy and windy, but we finally made it there. Look at the view out there, Tower Breeze. It's so gorgeous. The foods were so delicious and the ambience was great. We loved the customer service as well. We went there to celebrate my man's birthday. It was a pre-birthday celebration and we absolutely loved everything. I wish the weather was quite good, but it's okay. And here you go, my man and little sister. We had so much fun in COPPA Club. Igloo experience was quite good. And how can we forget the Christmas menu, turkey, feast. And after our meal, we headed out there to feel London. Tower Bridge seems so glorious in the night by the Thames River. We enjoyed a lot, though it was breezy and cold out there. Next stop, we went to Harrods for shopping. We were so excited to go there. There was a huge installation of Chanel on outside of Harrods and it was absolutely stunning. We had lots of pictures there and we headed to shopping. I will show you all the stores that I went to. Look at this beautiful Louis Vuitton decor. I just loved it so much. Look at the trunks. Oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. I just love this box with Vivian. There are lots of accessories, bells, and fragrance heaven. We were so happy to see all those stuffs. There were lots of fragrance. It smells heavenly. Check out this checkboard inspired Louis Vuitton shelves for fragrance. Stunning. Next, we went to Christian Dior. They have really good stuffs. I love this bag so much. Next stop, we went to YSL. And Gucci. They do have cute colorings of wallets. I love these totes. And this hobo bag. They have like quite new selection of bags and wallets. I love this Warshall belts, it's in my wish list. How gorgeous is this Fendi trouser and cardigan? Oh my god, I just love them. And these cute small Fendi purses. And also I love this lilac Prada bag. Must say Harrods has such beautiful leaves. Just wow. Next stop, we went to DRUNCH cafe to have some coffee latte. How gorgeous are these designer latte? Must say there was a long queue to get in there, so we suggest to book in advance before you go there maybe. So next stop, we went to view the Christmas festive lights in London. And this seems so nice. Everyone was hyped about this Mayfair fairy lights and we had to go there anyhow. And we finally did it, though the streets were so busy. But we managed to go there, yeah. After that, we headed back home. We were so tired, but overall, London experience was quite fruitful. And yeah, now it's unboxing time. DIOR Xmas unboxing that I promised you before. So here you go. The packaging seems so on point as usual. And I'll show you some free gifts with purchase as well. So let's start with this gorgeous well packaged mascara and other stuffs that I picked up. I'll show you in close-up so you will see how nice they are. So let's start with this well-packaged mascara. It's an iconic overcurl mascara. It comes with lash primer and mascara itself. It has a silver metal DIOR logo hardware. And next I picked up Forever DIOR New Range Foundation, and I was so excited to get this, and it matches my skin perfectly. The quality of the glass bottle seems quite good quality. It has frosted glass, and maybe I'll film a video applying this foundation in my next video. Next, I picked up this beautiful nude pink rose liquid lipstick in their new range, and I'm absolutely loving this lipstick. I have already tried once. Next, I got this gift with purchase. It's a red city logo cotton fabric pouch. It's quite roomy. I can fit my makeup brushes and makeup inside. And these are the tiny gifts with purchases as samples, DIOR and Xoxo perfume samples. And I also got this mini version of DIOR lip maximizer. It's a lip clumping maximizer. And I got this travel sizes new DIOR fragrance sample and DIOR Sauvage travel size sample. It smells so heavenly, and I love these cute tiny bottles. And I also received this tiny high quality fragrance, and it's expensive as well. It's in their high range of fragrance. It smells so nice. I just love them. And these are all the gifts that I purchased from Harrods along with DIOR. Look at this beautiful tea towel, apron, and this beautiful green mug. You all know that I love green so much by the time now. And also I have one more product to show you, and yes, it's a foundation. Again, you might think that why am I having so many foundations, but I do love to collect foundations and give honest reviews on them. So maybe I'll film a video applying this new foundation. I was so excited to get this and try on. It feels so luxurious, and yes, it's frosted glass again. Next, I'll be unboxing Lily Silk products on my next video. Everyone is hyped about these products, and I would like to give my honest reviews on it, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe my channel, and see you in my next video. See ya, take care, happy new year, bye.